Hello dear student, welcome to my channel. Let's study botany. Today we will discuss about the question answer of molecular basis of inheritance. I think the molecular basis of inheritance is difficult for you, but actually that is not a difficult subject, that is very easy. आपका जो रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, जो फिजियोलॉजी होता है, फिजियोलॉजी का चैप्टर होता है, वो सब क्या होता है उसमें रटने वाली चीज है। पर लेकिन यहाँ पर जो मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस है इसको समझना चाहिए। इसमें बहुत सारे वो जो डीएनए है, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डीएनए, द रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ द डीएनए, द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, दैट इज जो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एंड ट्रांसलेशन, ऑल आर वेरी इजी टू रिमेम्बर। अगर आप लोग ये समझ जाओगे तो आप लोगों के लिए इजी होगा। सो let's start the question answer round. Here the first question is the nucleic acid synthesis takes place in. It is always in 5 prime to 3 prime direction. The DNA replication that always in 5 prime to 3 prime direction. The next one, what is the nature of the strands of the DNA duplex? And the answer is it is anti-parallel and complementary. Anti-parallel का मतलब क्या होता है? Anti-parallel means it moves in opposite direction and it is complementary. Anti-parallel strands and complementary of DNA is due to the hydrogen bond which is present in between the two bases of the DNA. That is two nitrogenous bases of the DNA. अगर DNA strands parallel होता तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता and your the base pairing that is also not possible. So here the answer is anti-parallel and complementary. That is the nature of the DNA strands. The next one, the reason behind the anti-parallel strands of the DNA. अभी तो मैं बोली the nature, that is the hydrogen bond. The hydrogen bond is responsible for the anti-parallel strands of the DNA. The next one, the primer in DNA replication, that is small ribonucleotide polymer. The answer, that is small ribonucleotide polymer. So here the primer, that is the RNA primer. The RNA primer is the short pieces of the RNA and that is due to the enzyme RNA primase. Okay, so the primer, the RNA primer that initiates the DNA synthesis. RNA primer जो होता है वो किंग साइज का होता है। वो बोलता है कि नहीं चलो और जितने सारे एंजाइम से लाइक योर DNA polymerase, okay, the DNA polymerase only elongates the DNA replication, but the king, that one is the RNA primer. That RNA primer initiates the DNA synthesis. The next one, the proofreading enzyme in DNA replication is. Here the answer is DNA polymerase 1. It corrects the error during the replication of the DNA. The DNA polymerase 1 is also called as the Kronberg enzyme. The next one, the eukaryotic replication of DNA is. Okay, only in the eukaryotes. In the eukaryotes, the replication is bidirectional with many origin. Bidirectional. Then molecule that acts as a genetic material must fulfill the following traits except, यहाँ except है. So the answer is it should be structurally and chemically unstable. The unstable, that is totally wrong. Stable होगा तो replication accurate होगा and it helps to transfer the genetic materials from one generation to another generation. Okay, so option A is the correct one. The next one, in a DNA strand, the nucleotides are linked together by, okay, that is due to the phosphodiester bond. So the correct answer is phosphodiester bonds. Next, who amongst the following scientists had no contribution in the development of the double helix model for the structure of the DNA? So here the answer is Maurice Wilkins. The Maurice Wilkins is famous in the field of the physics, that is in your biophysics. Okay, so here the Wilkins, The Wilkins have no role in the structure of the DNA. Okay, so here the Rosalind Franklin, the Rosalind Franklin was discovered about the helical structure of the DNA. The Chargaff, that is very famous Chargaff's rule, and that is based upon the base pairing rules. That is, adenine always bonded with the thymine and your cytosine is bonded with the guanine. Then Michelson and Stahl responsible for the semi-conservative type of replication. So here the answer Wilkins. The next one, how far is each base pair from the next one in DNA double helix model? Okay, and the correct answer is 0.34 nanometer. The next, to prove that DNA is the genetic material, which radioactive isotopes were used by Hershey and Chase in 1952 in his experiments or in their experiments, that is 14 nitrogen and 15 nitrogen. Okay, that one is the correct answer, that is 14 and 15 nitrogen. Then the next is RNA is the genetic material. We know that DNA is the genetic material, but in some living organism, the RNA is considered as the genetic material. Here, the correct answer is tobacco mosaic virus. That means in your TMV, that is your tobacco mosaic virus, the RNA is considered as the genetic material. The next one, which of the following phenomena was experimentally proved by Michelson and Stahl? That is semi-conservative DNA replication. The next, select the correct match of enzyme with its related function. Okay, so here the DNA polymerase, synthesis of the DNA strand. We know that the DNA polymerase, that is the king enzyme. Okay, ये जो एंजाइम होता है ना, ये क्या करता है, ये हमेशा अलग एंजाइम को क्या करता है, मतलब ऑर्डर देता है. ठीक है, सो इन योर डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन इट ओनली एडेड द न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, so it helps in the elongation process of the DNA replication. The next one, helicase, it helps in the unwinding of the DNA helix. ये जो DNA helix होता है उसको वो क्या करता है, unwinding करता है. ठीक है, so here the helicase responsible for the unwinding of the DNA helix. The next one, ligase, that is molecular glue. It joins together short DNA segment. Okay, so all the options are correct. So here the answer is all of these. Next one, other than DNA polymerase, which are the enzymes involved in DNA synthesis? So here topoisomerase, that that removes the supercoiling, okay, supercoils of the DNA. The helicase helps in the unwinding of the DNA. RNA primase that forms the RNA primers which initiates the DNA replication. So here also the answer is all of this. That means all the enzymes are involved in the DNA replication. The next, DNA replication takes place at dash phase of the cell in your cell cycle. That is, in your S phase, the DNA replication takes place. That is a synthetic phase. So option B is correct one. The next one, the ratio constant for a species is, the ratio constant, that is your Chargaff's rule, based upon your Chargaff's rule. So here the answer is A plus G by C plus D. The next, anti-parallel strands of a DNA molecule means that. Okay, so here among the options, the right one is the phosphate groups at the start of the two DNA strands are in opposite position. Okay. Then Okazaki fragments are, the right answer is small segments of DNA on the lagging strand. In your DNA replication, there are two strands. In your replication fork, one is the leading strand, the second one is the lagging strand. So here the Okazaki fragments that are formed only in the lagging strands. Then DNA double helix model was given by Watson and Crick, for which they were got the Nobel Prize. The next, RNA from which has clover leaf model. Okay, which RNA has the clover leaf model structure? That one is the tRNA, the transfer RNA, which helps in the translation process. The next, nitrogenous bases present in DNA. These are the adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Then the next one, DNA is made up of two chains that twist. That twist about one another in the shape of a double helix. Double helix. Okay, that means your double helix twisted form. That is called as the double helix. So here the answer is double helix. What is DNA replication? What is DNA replication? Replication is a process where the DNA makes a copy of itself. Okay, ये रेप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है, डीएनए उसका एक कॉपी फॉर्मेशन करता है, ठीक है। मगर यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन है द करेक्ट वन इज सेमी कंजर्वेटिव। The next, which of the following enzymes remove supercoiling of replicating DNA ahead of the replication fork? ये replication fork होता है, यहाँ पर क्या होता है, supercoiling formation होता है, and that supercoiling is removed by topoisomerase. So option 4 is the correct one. The next, DNA unwinding is done by helicase. Unwinding means the two strands of the DNA get separated from each other. That is the unwinding of the DNA. So the next one is, which enzyme used to join the bits of DNA, our molecular glue, that is your DNA ligase. So here the answer is DNA ligase. Next one, during replication Okazaki fragments elongate. Okay, here Okazaki fragments that is found in your which strand? That is in your lagging strand. Okay, so the correct answer is lagging strand away from the replication fork. ये जो replication fork होता है, so replication fork से दूर होता है क्या, your Okazaki fragments. Then the next one, which of the following is used in DNA replication studies? E. coli. That is the famous E. coli, okay, which is present in our intestine. Then the X-ray diffraction pattern obtained by Rosalind Franklin indicated that the structure of DNA had a helical structure, that the twisted structure, double helical structure. So here the answer is a helical structure. The next one, which is the largest among the following? The options are nucleotide, nitrogenous base, phosphate, carbon. Among these, the nucleotide is the largest one. Then the next, in DNA double helix, the two DNA chains are held together by the two DNA chains. The DNA strands or the strands of the DNA or the structure of the DNA is like a ladder. Okay, in your ladder, the bases or the two strands of the DNA join each other or held together by the nitrogenous bases, and the nitrogenous bases get attached with each other by the presence of the hydrogen bond. So here the answer is hydrogen bonds between the base pairs. Okay, then in adenine and your thymine there are two hydrogenous bases, and your cytosine and guanine bonded by 3 hydrogen bonds. The next one, the 5' and 3' numbers are related to the carbon number in sugar. Then which of the following is incorrect? Okay, so the first one is the in DNA double helix, two strands of the DNA are bound with each other with the bases. That one is the correct. Adenine always pairs with the thymine. Correct. Guanine always pairs with the cytosine. Correct. None of the above. Okay, so the answer is none of the above. Your option A, option B, option C correct है. So here the D, option D is the right answer. Then in double helix of DNA, the two DNA strands show which type of characteristics. Okay, in your double helix of the DNA that coiled around a common axis. So option A is the correct one. Which of the following nitrogenous base is not present in RNA? That is your thiamine. Instead of your thiamine, in RNA, there is uracil. Next one. To which of the following does thiamine form hydrogen bonds in DNA? Thiamine always pairs with the adenine by two hydrogen bonds. Remember, by two hydrogen bonds. The next one. A nucleoside is formed of which of the following unit? That is your nitrogenous base and your sugar. Okay. So here the option C, that one is the correct one. So these are some questions related to your molecular basis of inheritance. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel and give comment. Okay, in your comment box. So children, bye bye.